What is going on, everybody? Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Your boy, honestly, I'm not having the best day ever, guys. You could probably hear it in the way that I'm talking right now. I actually lost my voice. My throat has been killing me. And honestly, I wasn't even going to record today, but I was like, you know what? I got to get a Toshi video out for the Toshi fam. So listen, if you are part of the Blue Cat family, listen, my voice is gone. I've been coughing, don't really feel too good. And if my voice cracks or like you hear me kind of have a high-pitched sound in this video, just ignore that, guys, because we are back with another banger. And if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Ro. I've been talking about crypto for the last, I want to say, almost 2 years now, guys. And this channel has almost grown to 20,000 subscribers. We're almost at 18K. So if you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe because I upload Toshi videos every other day. So subscribe, hit the bell notification so you guys are notified right when I go live or I upload, and like this video so YouTube pushed it out to more people on the algorithm. Now, I know you guys know we had a crazy crash in the last couple of days, but one of the projects that has actually held really well despite that crash is Toshi. So let's take a look at this project here. Honestly, one of the better plays for this crypto bull run. You can see just on the side over here, Toshi's super bullish. Toshi's the best. 5x will happen sooner rather than expected. Now, obviously, guys, it's just what the community has to say, and I'm just here to talk about it. By no means, shape, or form is any of these videos that I make financial advice, okay? So please, please, please keep that in mind. Now, the last 24 hours, you can see the price of Toshi down 2%. In the last 7 days, guys, down 9.06%. And in the month, it is up 26%. Compared to a lot of other projects that got absolutely hammered because of the tariff news that we're going to impose on China, or not we, rather the states that we're going to impose on China. A lot of the markets handled that really negatively, right? And a lot of people who had long positions opened up, especially on leverage, they got liquidated, they got destroyed. And my prayers go out to them and to their families, because a lot of people ended up taking their lives that day. I don't know if I saw an accurate statistic on that, but I saw over on X. Again, don't quote me on this. I feel like this might be fabricated, but over 2,000 crypto investors took their life because of it. Don't know how true that is. Regardless, prayers up for anyone who is having a hard time with the crypto markets right now. And honestly, all that to say is, guys, all that fear that was caused was all for nothing, because look at how the markets recovered. If you know what you hold, then you would not be fearful. All the fear and greed index already getting back to neutral levels. Guys, just yesterday, we were at 23 fear, which is extreme fear levels. That is literally extreme fear. That is the red bar on the fear and greed index. And what do we like to say? Always, always, always buy the fear, sell the greed. Now, you can see here we're at neutral levels. Bitcoin is at 115K. We're at neutral levels. Ethereum is at 4,300 basically. And Ethereum, if you guys know me, you know I was telling all my people in the Discord to buy, buy, buy. I mean, guys, this thing dropped all the way down to 3,600, even 3,500 for some exchanges. And that is why I say your network is your net worth. I mean, I'm just going to show you guys super quick here. Here you go, right? This is just live proof in the pudding. This was on October 10th, so 3 days ago, guys. Everyone just bought $10,000 in Ethereum at 3,700. And again, didn't even stop there. This was on the 11th. This was just dropped $20,000 more into Ethereum at 3,800. Obviously, Ethereum, guys, long term is a solid play. We know in the long run it is going to continue running, and that is why I said I dropped literally over $30,000 in 2 days. Again, yesterday at 4:30, this October 11th, right? Not going to make a call for anything specific, but you guys know the higher conviction plays in your Turbo, Toshi, Nitro, Midas. They're all at really good entries right now, so dollar cost average accordingly. Obviously, guys, since I added a huge portion of my funds into my hedge, which is Ethereum, I didn't go out and buy any altcoins. But obviously, one of the meme coins that stand out to me and still stand out to me is none other than Toshi, which again, I feel like it has proven itself as the face of a base, because I mean, guys, in the last 7 days, only having dumped 10% is a really good sign. Market cap of it is sitting at 347 million. And you can see here, kind of head to head with Brett right now, right? In the last 7 days, Brett is down over 30%. And a lot of people for a really long time looked as Brett as the face of base. And here's the thing, right? In the last month, Brett is down 36%, and in the year, down roughly 66%. Whereas Toshi, on the other hand, is actually up in the year, up 371%. And guys, I believe this blue cat is only just getting started. Also, if you didn't know, the dev, right? Coco Slayer, He is literally taking his entire family, picking them up and reallocating countries, moving to a whole different country just for the sake of the project. If that does not scream commitment, if that does not scream dedication and loyalty towards this project, then I really don't know what will. So I just want you guys to know, Toshi family, you are in good hands when it comes to your funds, right? Obviously he's not responsible for the price of it going up. I'm just saying the person that's spearheading this project is obviously doing things well, and he's very, very, very bullish about the project. And again, guys, I do want to plug my private Discord down below. There's a link in the description if you guys want to be a part of that and to know exactly what moves I make in the market, when to buy, when to sell, and to surround yourself with investors who are all after the same goal that you are. Link in the description. Go ahead, check it out. And obviously, guys, compared to every other project that is out there, Toshi didn't even have a major crash, right? You can see here, from October 9th to here, we had like a 33% dip, but to where we are right now, guys, only down about 20%. And honestly, it didn't break any structures. It didn't break anything because the support area is still holding, the support area that we've been holding since about, ever since we broke out in late September, is still holding, is still bullish, guys. And it's one that I'm going to continue to back, right? Because I think from here, we're going back to all-time highs very soon. I think Bitcoin, Ethereum, it's just a matter of time until they start running, until they start pumping. And obviously, money is going to cascade down into your favorite mid-cap plays, such as Toshi. People claiming Toshi can't go above 0.01 are hopeless. Now, again, guys, I'm only reading people's comments and their and how bullish they are on the project itself. None of this is my personal conviction, right? I'm just letting you guys know what the community is saying. Check out what Pepe did after 287 days of accumulation, around 250 million, a market cap to 600. It rocketed over the next few months to hit an all-time high of 12 billion, and this wasn't even during a full-blown alt season. Toshi has been in a very similar accumulation style to what we saw with Pepe. The next impulsive move up for Toshi will be absolutely insane. Raise your targets. The blue cat will surprise the world. Yo, Robinhood, people want the blue cat. Again, a Robinhood listing would be phenomenal, guys. Just keep in mind, to get listed on Robinhood, it's a lot harder than even getting listed on Binance US, just because Robinhood is particularly a stockbroker. And because of that, they have tighter restrictions and it's harder to get listed on there. But if there's any project that could make that happen, it is none other than Toshi. Counting on Toshi to carry my meme coin portfolio this bull run. I'm grateful to see how resilient the Toshi community is. Even when we get flash crashes like this, people come together. As I mentioned in my voice note, the Reddit community has also been incredible through all this. Now that we seem to be back to normal, things continue. Shout out to Coco Slayer. More interesting data in Coinbase app to back Toshi's high demand. More unique buyers and searches than other coins as multiples higher in market cap. You can see here, most buyers, you can see Toshi is at 1,000 buyers. And I think this is the only one that's even in the hundreds of $1 million range, guys. Everything else, let me see what Bonk is at. Actually, that's a really good question. Let me just double check here. Bonk is a $1.3 billion coin, okay? And everything else on here, guys, is in the billions of dollars. I mean, I don't even want to check what Avalanche, Ondo, Polkadot is at. Those are in the billions of dollars. And it doesn't just stop there. Look at what is searched up the most. This has the most searches, even beating Pengu. And Pengu, I believe, is, let me see, maybe it's in the millions, or let me double check here. Oh, Pengu as well in the $1.6 billion range. So take a look at that, guys. Toshi is literally right up there, and it's only a matter of time until the price action catches up to the hype. But with that being said, family, I do want to say I'm not a financial advisor. So please take everything I say with a grain of salt and do your own research, do your own due diligence before you buy into anything. I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, family. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care and peace out, fam.